Alright, hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm here with my sister, Shangmi, and my cousin, Leshinao, okay? Today in this video we're gonna play a video that is 5-second challenge. 5-second challenge, Tangkhul edition. I'm gonna ask a question in English, but they're gonna respond it in Tangkhul, which is gonna be in 5 seconds. I'm gonna count a point for them and for them, okay? And the winner will get 1,000 rupees from me, from my bank account, right after this game. All right, let's go. So I'm gonna give them a point this way, right? The first one will do rock, paper, scissors, fair and square, okay?
Yes.
And then the first one will have the point. If she cannot respond, then she will take the chance. She will get the second point, then that will be 1 point for her. And if the first responder respond the question correctly, then it will be 2 points for her. Either way, it will be same for her, it will be same for her. Let's go, let's get it. Now I'm gonna set the timer. All right.
Wait,
Okay. I'm gonna set a timer, 5 seconds, if you can see here, and then they're gonna if they respond everything, they're gonna pick this tomato, the first one, and then if the timers are correct, then I'm gonna give them the point. Okay, go. Rock, paper, scissors.
rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Leshna will start first. Leshna will start first. Okay. No chance I'm giving you a chance to win, so be happy. All right. Okay. First question. Okay. Get your mind blown. Here we go. So, in 5 seconds. Okay. You click in 5 seconds. Name 3 Tangkhul movies. Chalo. Hey. Let's go. All right, first question. This is for my cousin. Okay, she's the winner. All right, name 3. All right, name 3 things you found in Tangkhul kitchen. Let's go. Hanglo. Time's up. All right, I'll give point to Leshinao. I'll give point to Leshinao. Leshinao, Shangmi, 2 points for Leshinao. All right. Hui nai. Arrange timer. Okay, next. This is for Nai Ngari. Put Zongui Tiger Chili timing Matang the points among you. The young European Shemle. Okay, alright. This is for my sister, okay? Name 3 of your favorite Tangkhul YouTuber. Come on!
Oh shit!
Time's up. Cho Nang. So, go. Timer's. Point counting, Shangmi 0, Leshinao 2. Okay. Alright. Next question. Origin the timer 5 0 second. Alright. Okay. Name 3 things. It's Leshinao, okay? And then we turn around, we have on the point score. Name 3 things Tangkhul people do that makes you sad. Come on. Oh, almost. Time's up. Alright. Okay.
Wait, back cái thấy nước xia cái này.
Đây trả lời.
Thật là English này chứ.
Nước xia vấn đề là bom là nước xia bài là. Kim tham này, Tangkhul duyên là. Chef chỉ là mix up bài kim tham này. Chỉ Tangkhul là cái sao này. Alright, let's go. Next question is this is from my sister Shangmi, okay? Name 3 Tangkhul female singer. Let's go.
Singer là John và Jane Yusari.
Point the point score high in the gym. Okay. 2 points for Shangmi. Okay. 2 points for my sister. Team A, Team B. Okay. Alright. Question G again in the timer. Okay. Alright. Leshinao, get ready. Okay. Alright. Alright, Leshinao. 2 points each. Here I go. Let's now get ready. Name 3 famous Tangkhul festival in 5 seconds. Let's go. Không know.
Christmas là chẳng bay nào.
Chẳng bay, cho. Cho.
Lưỡi Phật Christmas New Year.
Boom.
Tôi chưa vừa
Tangkhul
Tôi thằng này xin là mấy thằng này kêu lên. Mình ăn rồi mình không có thao là mình nhon rồi là cái chúng ta không bay ta.
There are some what the traditional.
Okay, Kim Tham. Hey Joe, Kim Tham. No point. It's alright. Okay, dispute side. Let's now the dispute side. Hey Jobs, Kim Tham. À sao mình là Shiri
mấy chỗ.
hàng bay không thấy là được trả mày, cái nào background bị sắc mày hàng bay. Cái Christmas cái đây. Kim Tham, alright. No.
Cái festival này có thật sự Tangkhul mong.
Mày Tangkhul mong nhưng mà cái Tangkhul là celebrate hàng mày chuyện được sao vậy chứ cái Tham này cái Kim Tham đấy. Alright, no problem. Let's now. Pointing right, trái là left here. Alright. Next, name 3 in 5 seconds. Okay. Name 3 famous Tangkhul place or landmark.
Hả? Shiri, chính thằng bay lạ.
Bố hồ chính xác lý khẩn ngắn này. Nên nhiều vậy. Alright, Joe, let's now. Come on, let's go.
Phang Ray Shiri trên là sinh ra. Cái phụng ấn.
It's alright. One time about it. Okay, let's now 3 Shangmi 3 秒呢，同学。
Mực sơn.
Okay, alright.
Kinh đàn này.
Okay, 2 呢，Shangmi 2呢，okay. Alright. Alright, next question here. Let's now we go. Alright, next question here. Let's now we know. In 5 seconds, name 3 music instruments in Tangkhul.
Mà thấy nè.
Alright, Joe, Shangmi, come on. Tâm lên này.
Sipu, guitar,
Tangkhul.
Okay. Hàng bài.
hàng cờ.
Hàng bài.
Guitar Tangkhul hàng cờ.
Joe, Kim Tham. Point mirror. Alright, 1 point for Shangmi. Don't dispute all the time.
Ili không hay question there chứ.
Ali ngan question đây, laga nali pasa hai đây. Yo, Joe 3 ah, 3.
Tangkhul lấy này rồi Tangkhul lấy không bay.
Tôi guitar chứ vợ. Tangkhul lấy là guitar đã học phụng khơi á.
Tangkhul lấy guitar lấy là đâu đó.
Thính đấy.
Hey, Jobs này.
Ai Kim Tham.
Thà đây phân đi vang này, okay. Alright. Okay, next question. In 5 seconds, this is for Shangmi, okay? Nên là ready sao lâu, nên là những cái lời câu, nên là still ra cái hàng ngon. Mà rồi mình nên still ra thành ngon mới đây là timing chứ. Name 3 famous Tangkhul shawl or dress.
Xây dựng cái sân quảng trường trên phăng nhảy. Kita phăng nhảy.
Good. Time's up. Ka answer đây là 1 point mang đi là bục xong rồi mà tập cho tay 0 đi tay đó. Ka na chỉ phát đâm dân quy lực phải là bấm cái đó. Okay. Chỉ dân quy phụng cái này là dân quy.
Dân quy là tâm tay mình chắc chắn lấy có rồi chứ.
3 things. Okay. Let's now. Okay. Sang hàng bài cho. Name 3 things sold the hàng sản Kim Tham ko. Name 3 things you put in Tangkhul chutney or satay.
Ngari cái satay chana.
Shabbos. Là đang ngồi lấy 2 seconds li. Matarang hàng này 3 seconds li hàng này chứ.
Thằng con mặc chúng mấy điểm nhau.
Okay. Let's now 5, Shangmi 4. Now this question is for Shangmi, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Name 3. Name 3 suspense mi này là timing chúng lấy timer chúng là. Name 3 Tangkhul song.
기반의 비자를 삶이라 이그르 제는
Joe, let's know. Come on, let's go. Right, disturb someone.
Cover na mahanger.
The new chân na.
Tay to chứ mới thấy
3 song 5 seconds lima rồi nè, Tangkhul ba. That's too weak, man. Alright, this is for let's now. Shangmi we turn kan hai ko. Okay, you have chance to steal. Okay, ready? Hello. Alright. Name 3 flower in Tangkhul language. Come on, let's go.
Saharwan kapay one rose.
It's fine. One more. Saharwan go buy one, you know, say chang one thêm này là tao lại. Saharwan go buy one, gok du one. Tra le go Tangkhul la. Okay, so roast le in point right. It's alright. Next day. Okay. Roast le Tangkhul doing the roast.
Kita roast.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Kim tham ni kada. No one point and little le go. O khnang da va ri ja. Okay. Let's now. No chance to steal, okay? Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Name 3 sports famous in Tangkhul community.
Kari khang han. Oh, betul deh.
Okay?
Football, volleyball.
Oh. Okay, I'll give that.
Kari khang han salang.
Saya.
Sekali kita ada kari khang han je. Ke volleyball and football la Tangkhul li. Tangkhul region ni ke Tangkhul li ke pau je ne community le. Okay. Let's now the 2 points from Dora. All right. So bring back to go. Okay. Next, Kante. It's alright. It's alright. I in the famous in Tangkhul community je ne Tangkhul word sign hang lo. It's okay. Next. Next, this is for my sister. Next point.
So.
Point to steal. Name 3 animal in Tangkhul language.
Phở lam nhiều her.
Alright. Points. 2. Alright, 3 points lead. 3 seconds lead. Alright, next. Ready? Let's now. This let's now. You ban chance later. Name. Hello. Name 3 types in Tangkhul. Name 3 trees in Tangkhul. Time's up. Xiangmi, come on, let's go.
Cứ bay rong, gà rong, xà rong. Nhưng là không có gì
point na kami ako nito. So aran. Okay.
Hay nô rong cái thang bay tia.
Hang bay. Đó chỉ là tiếng Mông đời. Cái bay Mông S nên là
cứ bay rong.
So now is there the 1 point where go?
Chỉ là cứ bay thì rong, thì lên.
Okay. All right. No problem. Okay. This question is for Balido. Xiangmi William. This question is again for Xiangmi. Name 3 famous Tangkhul village. Come on.
Shirui, Xinjia, Jane the Pangay.
Okay, it's alright. Okay, it's alright. 1 hour. Zero mang lịch sao go? Okay, tao Kim Tham. Alright, Kim Tham. Chỉ cao sai. Alright. Okay. Alright, our question by na list now we our last 3 question mang badar ko point still you by chance they live on the point na kamay nung tayo. Okay, no problem. Alright, ara name, okay, in 5 seconds name 3 Tangkhul vegetable.
Alu,
Time's up. So Xiangmi, come on.
Squash, kahashon, alu.
Kaning by chance sung mình đấy đó anh khuyên nó cả đi 1 point mang đi ra mà second point mang. Alright. Okay. Name 3 in 5 seconds. Name 3 utensil in Tangkhul. Come on, let's go.
Spoon, nai di lung, Jane cây cam.
Ông đi cây cam ăn tân về.
Cái cây cam thì cái thằng để tăng tuổi nào.
Okay, mà cái pay cái thằng mấy chứ phang mấy rồi mà ra.
Tao muốn nhìn khui rồi cơ.
1 point mang đi ra. Spoon ji fine. Okay. Just we ning này. Okay. Xiangmi. Let's now. Let's now. I and the point more na. Cho bounce back sa pai vai the chance mi de la. Mara ma no ji le cái tiền nào huyong mo. Just spoon dang mo. Okay. Let's now. In 5 seconds, name 3 body parts in Tangkhul. Come on.
Apai abang aku.
Alright, I'm tired. Okay. The still sang so the still sai cái point sa mo ila. 2 seconds le hang ko pai na ro song ai cho. Okay, ara Xiangmi with question go here.
Ile cái sực mang hắn thấy mấy. Thấy.
Nó cũng mắc khẩn hắn đi chung
Okay. in a Tangkhul skip sign ara. Aside from Gatsik and Gatcher, name 3 color in Tangkhul.
Gazing maying Jena Gung
Sorry.
ไม่ยิงดีคิดอ่ะ
blue
ขยิงดีนะ
Gatsing machu.
กระจิงมาจู
No point discuss.
Chính là không nói nào mà nó không được phân hẳn là có
Yang yang machu, Gatsing machu, gohung.
từ chị là khi đó
Khaying.
không mà yên lấy ấy
ทีมนี้
Alright. Alright.
đi đi làm đấy anh đi đâu
Alright.
anh thử bên đi đi
Comment đi sai đâu rồi. 1 point rồi.
anh thử bên rồi mình xin là
chân
không
rồi
xin
tấm
là
hàng
one
bôi
point
ăn
mà
nó có chết nó có
Alright.
chẳng mình
Alright. Alright. Let's now. Okay. In a question na listen hai wa.
chẳng mình đi
Alright. In a question na ara hin let's now one special salad and in a question na kun yan.
cái này xí cái lên đi
In 5 seconds, name 3 things that is round in Tangkhul. Come on.
โพลไปทิ้ง
round
Joe, come on. No way, turn.
rửa ball
还是就让你妈我的选择
It's okay. It's
anh
okay.
chị ở
Cheer, yeah. Kim Tham, Joe. Table in. All right. Actually, yeah. Now that is the end of the. That is the end of the videos, right? I have calculated the point. Shangmi won by 2 points. Okay.
ให้สันติ
2
เดิ
points.
นเขาเลยอยู่
Shangmi won by 2 points. Very competitive. Next time, Lila Safura. Let's go. This is the end for today. Thank you.